What is it you would like to discuss? While this is our first time meeting, I already dislike you.
Is that right? Well, I dislike weak human beings. The mere sight of them makes my skin crawl.
Lit ass bitch, step inside me, pop shit. Black fuck, niggas wrong with that motion. I begin to cut, sneaky link. She say that's her nigga. I don't give a fuck if these bitches trying to scrap the foot. I'm knucking if you bucking hoes. Jump.